Any tree will have only one root. One root. Assume the root is A. It will become a parent to maximum two childs. Every root will have a maximum two childs. Assume B is a left side child, C is a right side child. B also can become a parent to maximum two childs. Let us consider left side is one child, right side is another child. C also can have maximum two. Any parent can have maximum two. There may be zero number, there may be one, maximum two, not more than two. Let us consider E. It is having only one child. Let us consider G. It is having only one child. D. It is having two childs. Left side one, right side one. Please observe A is a parent or a root for entire tree. For entire tree, this is the base. From here, two childs are there, B and C. B is a root to D and E. B is a node to D and E. B is a parent to D and E. C is a parent to F and G. E is a parent to H. D is a parent to K and J. You can consider root for K and J. Root for K and J. We understood the basic tree structure. The basic tree structure. A is a root node for entire tree. For the A, two children's B and C. For B, again two children's D and E. For C, again two children's F and G. For D, two children's K and J. For E, only one children, that is H. For G, only one children, that is I. For any parent, zero number of childs, one child, two childs, not more than two. Left side one, right side one. So here, H doesn't have any childs. F also doesn't have any childs. G also no childs. K also no childs. E having one child, that is H. G having one child, that is I. Whereas D having two childs K and J, B having two childs D and E, C having two childs F and G, A having two childs B and C. This is the basic structure of a tree. So only two childs maximum. That is why it is called as a binary tree. Only two childs are allowing. That is why this type of tree is also called as a binary tree. Maximum two childs. Zero number of childs, one child or two childs. Maximum two childs. How we can traverse entire tree? Traversing entire tree. What are the different ways available to traverse entire tree? There are totally three approaches available to traverse entire tree. First one is in order. Second one is pre-order. Third one is post-order. These are the three approaches available to traverse entire tree. In order to traverse entire tree, you can use in order, pre-order, post-order. Let us consider this is the root. For these two childs are there. The simplest tree, it's a simple tree, root containing two childs. How to read this tree? There are three ways I already told. How we can go for in order reading. In order is nothing but left to right. Generally, order we will be identifying from left to right. Generally, order will be identifying from left to right. That is why it is called as a in order. In case of in order, left to right. So first left side child, then root, then right side. You can see like in order. First left, then root, then right. In order. So left, middle and right. Left side child, then root, then right side. It is called as a in order. In order. You can see left, root, root I can call as a node. Then right. Left side, node or parent, then right side. It is in order. Please observe, in order is left, node, right. Left, node and right. Consider the second one. Pre-order. The pre-order is first node, first node, that is A. Then left to right. First node is A, then B, then C. This is called as a pre-order. First node, then left, then right. Pre-order, first node. So pre represents node. Where node has to come, that will be telling about the pre. Pre is telling first node, then left and right. First parent, then left and right. Pre-order means first parent, then left child, then right child. Pre-order, pre-order. Let's go for post-order. In case of post-order, node should be the last. Node should be the last. First B, then C, then A. You can represent like a left, right node. Post-order. These are the three different ways to traverse a tree. In order to traverse a tree, these three different ways available. So please observe. In order means left to right. First left side child, then node, then right side. In order. First left side, then node, then right side. Pre-order means pre-order. First node, first root. Pre means first node, then left and right. Node is a, left is a B, right is a C. You can consider node left, right, node left, right. Post order means post order. So root will be after childs. Root will be after childs. Post. With respect to root, you can mention pre and post. If root is a first, then pre. If root is a last, then post. If root is a last, then post. If root is a first, then pre. Post order. In case of post order, B, C and A. First B, then C, then A. You can see left, right and no. Left, right and no. So in the exams, they will be giving a trick. They will ask you, find out what is the in order reading or find out what is the post order reading of the tree. What is the pre-order reading of the tree? So here I consider simple tree. For this simple tree, this is the pre-order reading. Sorry, in order reading. This is the pre-order. This is the post-order. For a simple tree. Let us see little like enhancing to the same tree. Root, left side child, right side child. Let us consider only B containing one simple child D. Left side one child is there. What is the in order? What is the pre-order? What is the post-order? First let us see in order. So in order means, first observe, for this A, left side is this much completely, right side is this completely. So before A, you have to finish off left side, then you have to come to the A, then you have to come to the right, in order. First left side, then A, then right side. Right? In the left side, this is the B. But even for childs also same. B in order. It has to take first left side childs, then B, then right side child. Right side child is not there. Come on. So left side is the D, then B. It comes a D, then B. So left side completely got over for A. Now A will be coming. Once A is got over, then right side. What is the right side? C. This is the in order traversal. In order traversal for this simple tree. Let's see pre-order. In case of pre-order, so first you had to go for root, then left side completely, then right side completely. This is first, this is second, this is third. So it is starting with A, pre-order. First root is R. Then left side. In the left side, there is a subnode. Subnode. For this also, pre-order. First B, then left side, then right side. Yes or no? It is a B. Left side is a D. There is no right side. Complete is got over, 2 got over. Yes or no? Now you have to come to the right side of A. Right side of A is C. Understood? It is the pre-order. Let's move to the post order. So post order means first is left. Is there no? So left side is the first, right side is the second. What is the third? It is the root. Post order. First left, then right, then main root. Come on. So left side we have to go. So B. For this B also same post order. Come on. Whatever you are applying for the root, same will be applicable for the childs also. Now for the B, you have to go for post order. If it is a post order, B should be after left and right. Yes or no? So left is D. Then what is the root? B. Then we supposed to go for, sorry, first is D. We supposed to go to the right side, it is not there. Then go for root. So one is got over, then two. What is the two? Then A. Understood? Let's move to another structure. A is a root, B is one child, C is another child. So D is one left side child, E is a right side child. Assume C having only right side child. A simple trick. I just added two more children. Let us see what is in order, what is pre-order, what is post-order. Please observe here. First we will go for in order. In case of in order, this is completely first one. This is completely second one. This is completely third one. Exactly. Now, for the B also, same in order. So, in case of in order, D, B, E, come on, D, B, E. Start with D, B, E. So, left side is got over. Then, middle in order, A. Then, right side. In the right side, C is there with F as a child. It is also in order. Come on. Left side is not there. Yes or no? Left child is not there. You have to go for C and F. Correct or not? Let's go for pre-order. In case of pre-order, first one is root. Second one is left child. Yes or no? Right side is the third one. First root, pre-order. It is starting with root. Then it has to come to the left side. In the left side, again there is a tree. B is a root. D is the left side, E is the right side. So what we have to do? It's pre-order. Yes or no? So go for B, then D, then E. B, D, E. Yes or no? Left side got over. Go to the right side. In the right side, first root right, then left side chain. There is no left side chain. There is a right side chain. What is the right side chain? Yeah. Guys, So what could be the post order? So post order means first this is left side, then second one right side, then root. These are the post order. Post order, root will be the I and L. Now B also same way. Come on. First D has to come, then E has to come, then B has to come, then right side root. In the right side root also same. First left child, there is no left child, then right child, yeah. Then the root. Left guard over, right guard over, then root. Understood everybody? Let me go for a tree here. A. F coming 2 times, right? Let's go for left side also. L. This is the tree I'm choosing. First go for in order. So in order means left node then right. Left node and right. Please observe. This completely you can consider as a left side. For the root, this is the root. This is the right side. In order means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. In order. First it is starting left side. In the left side again, B is the root. Come on guys. For a B, what is the left side? D, I and J. First left side has to go. So for D, again it is a root for I and J. I is a starting one, then D, then J. So left side completely got over. Moving to the B, then right side. E doesn't have a left side child. So you have to consider E and K. Yes or no? E and K. So complete left stream got over. Then A. Now we need to move to the right side. In the right side, first it will be starting with F, C, G. Yes or no? F first, C, but G having a change. So L, G, H. Yes or no? L, G, H. This is the in order. Go for pre-order. In case of pre-order, first A. Come on, guys. This is the first. This is the second pre-order. This is the third. First it is starting with A, then left side. So left side, first it is starting with B. Come on. Then D, I, J, pre-order. Yes, E, K. Left side completely got over. Come on. Now right side has to go. In the right side, pre-order. First is C. Come on, guys. C. Then left side is F. Then G, L, H. Check it out, correct or not? Come to the post order. If it is a post order, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. So post order, first left is coming. So B. But B will not be. Why? Because it should be the last. D. Even D also should not be. Why? Because it should be the last. So first one is I. Then J. Then D. Yes or no? Then, so right side we have to go. But E should not be the first. K, E, then B. This is completely left side. Then come to the right side. F. So G should not be first. What should be? L, H, G, then C. After C, here. This is completely a post order.